Kids TV. Hey kids, are you ready? Let's swim with Tiny Shark. Tiny happy shark, swimming in the sea with a great big smile, as friendly as can be. Wiggling little fins, splashing all around, making bubbles pop with a giggling sound. Tiny shark, swim, 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 swim. Happy shark, swim, 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 swim. Tiny shark, swim, 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 swim. Swim along with me. Sharks have lots of teeth, but this one's super kind. Helps his fishy friends, leaves no one behind. Cleaning up the ocean,